Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In my last video, I talked about thyroid gland. If you haven't seen that video, then click on the button and watch the video now. Today I'm going to talk about our next part of the endocrine system, which is a very short topic. It's known as pineal gland. Okay, so today's video is very short. Now the main thing is, as you can see in this photo, this pineal gland is also known as pineal body, and it is a part of our epithalamus. That's why it is also known as epiphysis cerebri. Okay, anyway, I will talk about this epithalamus later, not now, in special videos. So it is very small, pine cone shaped, reddish gray color, and the size is almost 5 to 8 millimeter. This pineal gland is attached with our brain via pineal stalk. Now this pineal stalk is divided into two segments. One is superior lamina and inferior lamina. Okay, and one of the point is, you have to remember that this superior lamina consists of habenular commissure and the inferior lamina consists of posterior commissure. Habenular, posterior commissure, along with these pineal gland, all are this part of epithalamus, which I will talk about later, not now. Now in blood supply, this pineal gland is supplied by the posterior choroidal plexus, which are branches coming from posterior cerebral arteries. Okay, and in the venous drainage is done by lateral pineal vein to the vein of Galen. Okay, I will talk about this later, not now. Now in the nerve supply, it has two components. One is sympathetic, another is parasympathetic. In sympathetic component, it is supplied by superior cervical ganglion. Gone. In the parasympathetic component, it is supplied by ptericopelvic ganglia, otic ganglia, along with the accessory branches coming from trigeminal ganglion. That's it. Finish. Now this entire pineal gland is covered by pial capsule, which is formed by pyometer. Now this pyometer, actinometer, durameter, I already talked about these things in my earlier videos. You can check those. But here the main thing is this microanatomy. As you can see in this photo, it is made by, or it is formed by lobular parenchyma filled with lots and lots of pinealocytes. Now cells inside the pineal gland is known as pinealocytes. Also along with you find neuroglial cells. Okay, now the function of this pinealocyte, it secretes a very special hormone known as melatonin. Okay, now this hormone secretes only at dark place or when the person is sleeping in the dark area. Okay, in presence of light, production of this melatonin is stopped or it's inhibited. The secretion of melatonin, it's only and only does in dark place, in absence of light. Anyway, I will talk about this mechanism later in biochemistry or in physiology chapter, not here. Now, along with this melatonin, it secretes indolamine and polypeptide hormones, which are also acts in our circadian rhythm. Now, what is circadian rhythm? I will talk about later, not now. Now, what happens in adults? We can find in MRI or in CT scan that this pineal gland consists of small deposition of calcium, phosphate, and carbonates. These things are secretes along with the melatonin, indolamine, and other polypeptide hormones. So these deposits forms as a sand-like granules. So we call it brain sand, or in scientific term or in medical term we call it corpora arenaceae. Okay. Anyway, these things doesn't matter. It's just a extra additional knowledge point, but it helps to locate the pineal gland or the exact position of pineal gland in MRI and in CT scan. I will talk about these things later in radiology chapter, not here. Anyway, so this is all about our pineal gland. I hope you a little bit understand, and subscribe and share. Till then, bye.